Hi, I'm Alex. I'm Mckenan.
And I'm Abby.
Jersey Mike subs. Yeah.
Baby G's. Dude, pause it to Mckenan.
There we go. Okay, what's up, Mr. SOOHOO? Today we have Chapter 4 practice test. We're going to expand using double distributive methods. And what we do here is we set it out to 3 different parentheses. And then you FOIL out these first 2. You get an equation. And then you times x times all of these bad boys. And then y. And then we ended off with adding, let's get a better view on this. That's a soccer ball. And we add these 2 bad boys together because they're the same, including this one. You get x to the third plus 6yx squared plus 12xy squared plus 8y to the 3rd power. You're welcome.
What up, guys? This is Real Solutions with Synthetic Division.
So you get f of x here, and then you get this 2. You make your chart, and then drop the 1, multiply 2, 2 plus 4, 6, multiply those, 12, 12 plus 3 is 9, multiply the 9 and the 2, better angle, and you get 18, which should equal 0. And if you equal 0, that's how you know you're correct.
Is that it?
Is 9, multiply the 9 and the 2, better angle, and you get 18, which should equal 0. And if you equal 0, that's how you know you're correct.
Is that it? What up, guys? This is Real Solutions with Synthetic Division.
So you get f of x here, and then you get this 2. You make your chart, and then drop the 1, multiply 2, 2 plus 4, 6, multiply those, 12, 12 plus 3 is 9, multiply the 9 and the 2, better angle, and you get 18, which should equal 0. And if you equal 0, that's how you know you're correct.
Is that it?
Alright, so then you take the negative 2, and then you multiply it by the numbers that you've got down here. So you get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0, and then you pretty much just FOIL that to get that, and then once you do that, you get this.
So from this point on, we are taking these numbers and putting them into standard form. Then you take the opposite of what this number is and make it a negative. So x minus 2, put those numbers in standard form. Then you factor it out, and you get x minus 2. 3 times 3 is 9, so x plus 3, x plus 3. Checking my work right here. After I check my work, I can, the 0 property is where you just set them equal to 0, and there are your solutions.
Today we got optic shots with a quick scope montage. I'm just kidding, Mr. SOOHOO. This is factor by grouping, and today we are going to factor by grouping these, and we're going to see that there's a common factor in these, and divide it all by 2, take it out, put that bad boy over there. Then we're going to put these both in parentheses, bring that down. We're going to find a common factor to take this out from. X to the 3rd, 2, and we get we get x to the 3rd, x plus 2, negative 27, x plus 2. We put these both into an equation, so put these down. We combine these 2 to just put 1, and then you have to get x to the 3rd on both. You can't just have 1, you have to have them both. So you get bada boom, bada bing, x to the 3rd minus 3 to the 3rd power equals x minus 3, x squared plus 2x, 3 plus 3 squared, x minus 3, and then you have to find a common factor in this, to get this number. That's 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So you get x minus 3, x plus 3. And there you go. And that's not the right answer because you got to bring that 2 back over here.
With this beautiful equation, and we got a 3 right here. What does that mean? It means we have 3. Yeah. Okay, so we have Pascal's triangle. When you're given this function right here, you got a 3 as the exponent. That means we're going to go 3 rows down on the Pascal's triangle. So what you do is you add the numbers right here and you go down. So 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Here we go. Third row. 1, 3, 3, 1. And so you write those numbers out big and spaced out here. So we have 1, 3, 3, 1. Then what we're going to do, McKinnon, take it away.
From the 1, 3, 3, 1, you get, you have to factor all these bad boys in here. But first you have to start from x to the third and then downgrade. So x to the third, x to the second, x to the 0 power. And then for that one you get 2y, so you have to do the opposite side backwards. So you get 2y to the third on this side, 2y to the second on that side, 2y to the first, and 2y to the 0. And then you solve it all in there, you factor it all down, simplify it. Get that bad boy, and x to the third plus 6x squared y plus 12x y squared plus 8y to the third power. You're welcome. For this one we're gonna do, to find the degree, we gotta look at the exponent on the ball, no, the exponent on the x, and find that it's 3, so it's an odd number, so we circle odd. And leading coefficient for this one, it's a 1, and it's a positive. There's no negative in front of it, so it's a positive. From the last, you get y equals titties, and y plus infinity, and then you get for the x-intercept -3 to the o. 2o, and how many turning points? You get 2, determined on the degree minus 1.
Alright, yeah, we're done here.
What up, nigga?
Okay, go.